Here's how to reset your age group on Roblox and redo the age check. Go to More, then Settings on the app, or click the gear icon, then Settings on the website. Select Account Info, then scroll down to Personal Options. Click the Reset button. A confirmation screen will explain the consequences. You can only reset your age verification once, and you will temporarily lose any features tied to your previous age verification until the new check is complete. Click Continue to confirm. You will then be prompted to use Continue with Camera or Continue with Selfie to do the age check again. For the most accurate result, use a device with a good quality camera in a well-lit room. Poor lighting and low-resolution cameras are the main reasons the automated check fails to verify correctly. Because this is a one-time reset, plan your timing carefully. If you need to redo the check due to an error, make sure everything is set up correctly before proceeding, since you will not get another opportunity. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.